Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook search history. If you want to remove the searches you have made on Facebook and keep your search activity more private, you can easily clear your search history from the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. At the top of the screen, tap the search icon. You will see your recent searches. To remove a single search, look for the search you want to delete. Depending on your Facebook app version, you may see an X or a remove option next to the search. Tap it to remove that search from your history. If you want to clear your entire search history, tap See All or Edit if that option is available. You should now see a list of your recent searches. Look for the option to Clear Searches or Clear Search History. Tap on it. Facebook may ask you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Tap Clear Searches to confirm. Your recent Facebook searches will now be removed. There is also another way to access your search history. Open the Facebook menu and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Look for Activity Log. Open the activity log and find the section related to your search history or logged information. From there, you can review your recent searches and remove them if the option is available. Keep in mind that the exact names and locations of these settings may be different depending on your Facebook app version. If you cannot find the option, use the search feature inside Facebook settings and search for search history or activity log. Also remember that clearing your Facebook search history does not delete your Facebook account or remove your other activity. It only removes the searches stored in your search history. And that's it. You now know how to delete your Facebook search history. Happy watching, and don't forget to subscribe.